Hello friends, welcome to Code Generator. Myself Apurva. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, I am going to teach you about difference between C and C++. Without wasting any time, let's move on. C was developed by Dennis Ritchie between the year 1969 and 1973 at AT&T Bell Labs, whereas C++ was developed by Brajanov Stethoscope in 1979. C is procedural programming language, where it supports the procedure type or subroutine or routine, whereas C++ supports both procedural and object-oriented programming. So it is called as hybrid language, because it supports both real and unreal data. C file extension is .c, whereas C++ has the file extension that is .cpp in the lower case. C structure does not provide the feature of function declaration, whereas structure in C++ provides the feature of declaring the function as member function of the structure. C does not support inline function, whereas C++ supports inline function. Next, C++ follows top-down programming approach, whereas C++ follow bottom-up programming approach. C programming is a big programming code which is divided into smaller pieces, which is called as functions. In C++ programming language, a big program code is divided into objects and classes. C uses scanf and printf for standard input and output, whereas C++ uses Cin and Cout as standard input and output function. C has the header file that is sto.h, whereas C++ uses header file as iostream.h. C contains 32 keywords, whereas C++ contains 52 keywords. C does not support the concept of inheritance, whereas C++ supports the concept of inheritance. C provides malloc-calloc functions for dynamic memory allocation. C++ provides new operator for the purpose. C supports built-in data types, whereas C++ supports both built-in and user-defined data types. Where user-defined means our own data types. Next, in C language, data is not secure, whereas C++ data is secure so that it cannot be accessed by the external activities, such as encapsulation concept is used. C is not compatible with another language. C++ is compatible with another generic programming languages. C supports only pointers, whereas C++ supports both pointers and references. C does not allow you to use function overloading, whereas C++ allows you to function overloading. Next, in C, the variable should be defined at the beginning of the program, whereas C++ emphasizes the objects and not the steps or procedure. It has higher abstraction level. C emphasizes the objects and not the steps or procedures. It has higher abstraction level, whereas C++ supports string and boolean data types. C does not support exceptional handling. However, it can be performed using some workarounds, whereas C++ supports exceptional handling. Moreover, this operation can be performed using try and catch block, where try and catch are the keywords in C++. C is a function-driven language, whereas C++ is object-driven language. Namespace is absent in C language, whereas namespace is present in C++ language. C is a subset of C++. It cannot run C++ code, whereas C++ is a superset of C. C++ can run most of the C code with the C++ code itself. C focuses on the method and process instead of data, whereas C++ focuses on the data instead of method or procedure. C allows multiple declaration of the global variables, whereas multiple declaration of global variables not be done in the C++ programming language. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I hope you all liked this video and I hope you all understood it. If you have any queries, you can comment in the comment section. If you like it, please do like and support and share. Thank you.